Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine.
Today is a new day. Today is on 24th, yeah?
Yes.
So today is on 24th of October 2025. So we are going to study on financial accounting. Specifically, we are going to deal on statement of financial position. So, class, I'm expecting us to be thinking what's a statement of financial position. So most probably our learning outcomes will be, we shall define the statement of a financial position. Then secondly, we shall identify and classify the components of a financial position. Then thirdly, we shall prepare a sample. Prepare a simple financial statement, a statement of financial position format. Then lastly, we shall interpret the accounting, we shall interpret the accounting formula of assets are equal to liabilities plus capital. So class, before we proceed, I want you in your groups, as an individual, you shall think, then share to your neighbor. You shall think in groups of two, then you shall pair and share what you own as an individual and what you owe as an individual. After the 2 minutes, you can tell the class. So, okay. Yes, you can start sharing from here.
I own a phone.
Yes, thank you. Yeah.
Yes, I own a phone, but I owe for Lisa and Russell.
Yes.
I own a phone
Yeah.
and I owe police.
Okay, thank you, class. From that, you have seen the important aspect of us classifying, knowing what we own and what we owe. So basically, the statement of financial position shows us that what we own and what we owe. In essence, it will show us what we can do with what we own and what we cannot do with what we don't have, what we can control. Yes?
Yes.
As I proceed, class, make sure you collect the names of everyone, then you bring it to me after the class. Okay? So we have discussed the components, we have seen what we own as assets and what we owe as liabilities. Before we proceed with that further, class, who can tell us the importance, what is a statement of financial position? Any volunteer? Yes.
Yes, statement of financial position, also known as balance sheet, is a financial statement that presents a snapshot of a company's financial situation at a specific point of time.
Okay, thank you. Have you heard what she has said to us?
Yes.
So, a statement of financial position tells us, gives us a snapshot of the financial position of a company. So, straight away, we shall go to the format. How do we prepare a statement of financial position? As we earlier stated, we talked of what we owe. We talked of funds. I had someone say a laptop. So we shall start with that. So most in our financial statement, we start with what we own and what we can control in order of permanency. So we are going to start from what is most permanent, which are non-current assets. Who can give us an example of a non-current asset? Yes, Sheila.
Land and machinery.
Land and machinery. Another example, yes,
Land and buildings.
land and buildings. We can exhaust more. Then after non-current assets, we're going to proceed to current assets. They are called current assets because they are liquid in nature. They can be easily traded for cash. Given that, I think we can list some examples.
What we have debtors.
Debtors, yes, debtors. Another example, yes.
Stock.
You have stock. Stock or inventory. Yes.
Cash at hand.
Cash at hand. We can also say cash at bank. I had someone say cryptocurrency. Can we put it here?
No.
Why not?
We
Cryptocurrency.
don't have it.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we have cash, which is cryptocurrency. That's another form of emerging cash. I think we are going to do that first. After non-current assets, we shall look at the other portion, which we described as what we owe. What we owe is also described as liabilities. So we are starting with the most permanent liabilities. Non-current, non-current liabilities. Who can give us an example of a non-current liability? Yes, Edna.
Long-term debt.
Long-term debt. Most likely 5 years. Another,
Bank loans.
bank loans. Yes,
Pension liabilities.
pension liabilities. I think we have exhausted that much. Then we are going to short-term or current liabilities. Current liabilities, these are obligations which are business incurs in a day-to-day running of the business. These are examples such as, yes, brilliant,
Accounts payable.
accounts payable. We also call them creditors, yes?
Yes.
Another example? Yes,
Short-term loans.
short-term loans. Someone said freezer, it also falls here. But in business, we don't call them freezer, we call them short-term loans, yes?
Yes.
Short-term loans, then we are going to the last portion that makes part of the statement of financial position, which is capital. Class, who can tell us what is capital? Any volunteer? In groups you can discuss, then one can give us what is capital. Yes, the group behind them, what is capital?
Okay, capital refers to owner's investment in a business.
Are you all in an agreement?
Yes.
Yes. So capital is what the owner or the promoters invest in a business. In other terms, it's called owner's equity. Owner's equity is what an individual, groups of individuals in case of a partnership, promoters in case of a company, invest in a business. So that makes part of a statement of financial position. I want to end my class at that. But I'll leave you with an assignment. Yes, an assignment. The assignment is you are going to explain and giving out using mathematical data, the accounting equation, assets equal to liabilities plus capital. So in our next class, which is on Friday, we are going to expect that assignment typed as an individual typed in Times New Roman. You write your name, you type the assignment, then you bring it to me. I will collect the first thing in our next class. But before I go, I want to ask, what have you learned today? Yes.
We have been able to define the term financial balance sheet.
Okay, yes.
We have learned about the components of financial balance sheet.
Okay, thank you. You can have a nice day ahead. See you in the next class. Make sure you bring the assignment.
Yes.